typically mess around a lot with cars. There are guys...
Can I be honest with you guys? I know this is my most popular video on YouTube, and I'm okay with that. But honestly, I'm kind of ashamed in how I produced this. I mean, look, I hadn't shaved in days. I am sitting in my car recording a how-to on fixing my car and rambling for the first minute of it. I really wanted to go back and do this the right way and make it a little bit shorter for people who just want to get to the point and figure out how to fix their car. So I'm doing a little bit of a remix here. So it's still the same instructions, it's just a little bit shortened for time. Hope you guys enjoy.
So you can find the remotes online. There will be a link on my blog, but bottom line, once you've got that remote, you're going to go ahead and start by opening your driver's side car door. Once your car door is open, you're going to go ahead and turn your vehicle into the on position. Not the accessory position, but on. Don't turn the engine over though. Once that is done, on the left-hand side, there should be an override button that you don't know what it does. You're going to go ahead and reach down under there, press that button, hold it for about 20 seconds, and then the alarm will cycle. While continuing to hold that override button, you're going to hit the lock button on the remotes that you're programming. This will work for 4 on a vehicle. Then turn off the ignition on the vehicle, close your door, and then click your remotes to make sure that they actually work.
You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. If you don't already subscribe, definitely hit the subscribe button.